more.
Push the stairs up. See, it shouldn't take this and push it up.
No.
You want me to screw it down right there?
No.
Just leave it there?
I think that would support it. It'll probably drop the boom a little bit.
All right, we set up there.
We got that set. What we had that 4x4 post across the doorways.
Okay.
So it's against the doorways, so they can actually stand back here and let it go down nice and slow.
All right.
I'm going to crawl on you because I have no choice.
All right, you ready? Yeah. Oh, it's not that heavy.
Hold on. No. Okay, I need more guys here.
Right here, come on.
Strength.
Okay, I got this right under it in case.
All right, well, that can go out. If everybody just moves slowly backwards, we can get this
All right,
done.
lower.
Slowly.
Keep
I don't
going.
have any eyes in the back of my head, so everything.
I'm watching you.
We're
Just
good.
make sure we're not stepping through.
We gotta move back. Yeah, move it that way.
Okay, move it towards the back of the house. Okay, drop it down slow. A little more.
Good.
Okay, let's go down nice and slow, guys. don't push. Up. Okay, let's go back. Up.
Up.
Stop.
There we go, stop.
Stop. Okay.
That's about where it's supposed to be.
Okay, brace it. Yeah, it's gotta drop a little bit, but
We're gonna drop it just a little.
just a hair.
Hold on, he's gonna get this brace in here just in case. All right there. Okay, stop right there. That ain't going nowhere. Those guys get those braces in.
Actually, it was faster than I thought, too.